I couldn't eat properly. There was food that I couldn't eat. I used to put my hand over my mouth. They'd look at me and call me Nanny McVie because this tooth used to stick out like this in my old teeth. I looked in the mirror and I was going, who's that in the mirror? And I couldn't believe it. It's all back. I dance whenever I want now, smile. I had all my back teeth, bottom and top, were missing. They were falling out by the minutes, and I think I had some kind of disease in me gums, and they started misshapen, and it was just, I just didn't feel confident at all. I used to put my hand over my mouth and I wouldn't smile, and I couldn't eat properly. There was food that I couldn't eat. I couldn't eat an apple, and it was you know, I went down to like just under 7 stone because I wasn't eating the normal food I was eating. And I noticed it on the Facebook about 21D. I was asking my own dentist how much would it be to get false teeth, and she was turning around and said, oh, well, false teeth, he'd have to be coming back to us every 3 months to get them shortened, longed, whatever. And I turned around and I thought, oh, okay. So I went back to 21D and I was looking at it, and then they said to come for a free consultation. So I went to Harrogate, that's where I got these done. Went to Harrogate and I met VJ, and it was amazing the way he explained everything to me. He said, we can't save your teeth, we can take them away from you and we can give you beautiful teeth and your smile will come back. Well, I didn't smile because I didn't believe it was going to happen. I had enough money to pay for them, which was amazing anyway. Absolute bargain, you know. And he turned around and he said to me, okay, we'll do it. And I'd had a bereavement in my family. My husband passed away. I was still a bit, you know, unsure what to do, but I felt it was him telling me, just go and see these people, go and see them. So I did, and brought a friend with me, and it was my sister-in-law, and she turned around and said, oh, you're going to look amazing, you're going to look amazing. And I went, are you sure? She said, you're going to look amazing. And I think it was about 2 days after I call them, as I say, retainers, as I had them done, because I looked like a chipmunk. But there was the pain, it was not painful. You know, a few times, just taking the medication that you're given by the dental, and it was absolutely wonderful. It was through my husband I was able to get them done, though he wasn't here. And I know he's looking down and he's saying to me, my God, look at my beautiful wife. I know he's saying that, but he is, you know, I've never stopped smiling. My confidence has gone out the roof. I feel a lot younger, although I'm 61, but I feel a lot younger. But honestly, Isabella and VJ, I can't thank them two so much. They've given me back my life. They've given me back my confidence. And everywhere I go, I'm smiling, and I don't wear my hair over my face anymore. I wear it up and off of my face, and I just keep smiling. And it's amazing. 21D, whoever wants to go for it because it's amazing. It's all back, it's all back. I dance whenever I want now, smile. Even me nephews and nieces come up to me now and they go, oh, Auntie Cheryl. And I go like, because I used to think they'd look at me and call me Nanny McVie, because this tooth used to stick out like this in my old teeth. And then when they see my teeth, they come running to me. My sister fell on the floor. They was just been calling me then. She fell on the floor and she just went like that, thank you to yourselves and stuff like that.
When she saw you?
Yeah. She said, I've got my little sister back. So, and I haven't stopped smiling since, and I don't think I will. I just can't believe what I can eat now. It's unreal, and I'm thinking I can eat 1,000 apples a day if I had to, because I can get my teeth through them now and everything, and I've got no struggling and chewing, nothing hurts. Steak. I had the best piece of steak in the world. I honestly and truly, VJ and all the staff in Harrogate and here in Warrington, I swear, they're my saviours, they're my angels, each and every one of them. And I get all emotional when I talk about them because they're so amazing. They look after you. They take care of every little thing, you know. And when I first come home from Harrogate, spoke to me for nearly an hour on the phone to calm me down because I was petrified. The nerves set in. It was on my way to Harrogate to get the treatment. And I was saying to my sister-in-law, I said, are they going to take all my teeth out? She said, well, they've got to, haven't they? And she was calming me down. But the minute I walked into Harrogate, Isabel, I think it was Lisa, and there was other girls there, oh, absolutely wonderful, calmed me right down, sat me in the chair. I was there for 2 hours, and I come out an absolute different woman. I looked in the mirror, and I was going, who's that in the mirror? And I couldn't believe it. I can't praise 21D enough, I can't, because they've given me back my life. Yeah, when I very first started, I was in and out of different places, and I got to 21D, and everything about it, I'd say to people who want to get this done, 1010% plus, come and get it done, because it will change your life. The people that help you, that do these things, that work hard in the background to get everything that you need, they're even involved. So it's amazing, and it's well worth every penny that you pay. You don't have to get it all done at once like I did, you know, but at the end of the day, you can turn around and you'll walk out of this place with the biggest smile on your face and the heartwarming feeling that your life is back to normal. And that's all I can say about that is just go for it, because they're amazing. And where else are you going to get this type of smile for what you pay? It's amazing.